Meaning of factive.
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 Factive. In linguistics, the term factive refers to a verb or clause that expresses something as true, which is known or assumed to be factual or certain. In other words, factive verbs or clauses convey information that is already known or strongly implied to be true. For example, the clause "I'm glad that you finished your project" is factive because it implies that the person did indeed finish their project. The result of using factive language is that it can help to reinforce the truthfulness of a statement, as it provides further evidence or support for the speaker's argument.